Let me know in the comments, did you get the correct answer in the allotted time limit? Did you have to pause? How long did it take you? I'd love to know. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for the next video. I'm also going to leave a link to a playlist explaining this process in detail with a few other videos, and I'm also going to leave a link to the next video in this series. I hope to see you there.